We see the e-commerce, it consists of purchasing, selling and exchanging the goods and services. Hi friends, topic for today's lecture it is e-commerce. The term e-commerce can be also known as electronics commerce and also electronics marketing. When we see the e-commerce, it consists of purchasing, selling and exchanging the goods and services over the computer networking or internet through, and also the transaction for the same product by electronic means. When we say there are different types of e-commerce, the first is B2B e-commerce, which is known as business to business e-commerce, where the one business approaches to the second business for the goods and services. Example, the Intel, which is selling its processor to the Dell laptops. Then the second which comes is business to customers, where the businesses are selling their products and services to the customer by the means of internet, and same as a transaction. The example for this is the Amazon and Flipkart, which are right now in trend. When we see the third type, it is business to government, where the business directly approaches to the public sector for the transactions of goods and services and also the tax payment. Example, the tax payment by the company or the business given to the government at its portal or its sites. The next type, it is C2C e-commerce, which means customer to customer, where there is no any business or any company involved between the two, where the customer can sell its product and simultaneously can buy the product. The example for this is OLX, where the both customer can buy and sell its product. When we see the fifth type, it is G2C, which means government to customer, where the public services give the direct access to the customer citizens of its country, so that they can get the information and the availability of government portals whenever want. There are many portals like the COVID aid portal, which is been introduced by the government of India for tracking the products which have been imported from the different country, the like medical kits, that where it is distributed and all. When we see the next, it is G2, government to business commerce, which means the model which refers to the government providing its services and information to the business organizations. Example, we can say that B2G, it involves the auctions, the tenders and also application for the business meetings. When we see the example, we can take the example of roads, where the different tenders are given to the different companies, like the tar tender, the cements and all. When we come to the advantages of the e-commerce, there are in such a way that there is faster buying and selling of this product. Second, there is no any physical setup for starting any business, or physical company setup for starting any business. We can say that the buying and selling of the products are 24/7. Also, the customer can take its advantage by sitting anywhere. There are no any geographical limits for it. When we say the customers do not have to go physically into the market for the purchasing of the product. There are some disadvantages for the e-commerce also. First, there is unavailability of to examine the product which is coming to us. Second one, if there is no internet, there is a problem in this. And also we can see that the mechanical failures can also produce some disadvantages, where the towers or any other thing has been collapsed, so the internet availability is not there in the region. It also affects. There is possibility of the credit card and also the business, also the account details which a person is going to fill on the website. The websites can also be sometimes can do the scam on it. So at last, I would say that the e-commerce is one of the good platform, where the peoples are directly connected to the companies for buying and selling the product. And also it has made the communication between government and also the citizens of the country by a single click, and also the information what a person wants can be directly taken from the government side. Thank you.